A potent technique for achieving your goals is the idea of assuming the person you wish to be. By imagining yourself as the person you want to become and assuming the thoughts and feelings that go along with it, you can use this technique to achieve your goals. By doing this, you match your energy with that of your intended outcome and draw chances and situations that will make that outcome real. This process of assumption involves a significant shift in consciousness that enables you to access the power of the universe and the creative force inside you, rather than just wishful thinking or encouraging affirmations. It demands a strong sense of conviction in your ability to manifest your goals, as well as a readiness to let go of any limiting ideas or concerns that might be preventing you from achieving them. You must first decide what that person feels and looks like in order to become that person. You must visualize yourself in that situation clearly and give it all the feelings and emotions necessary to realize your goal. To achieve this, you might need to do some introspection and self-reflection, as well as be willing to let go of any limiting beliefs or unfavorable self-talk that might be preventing you. You must start to manifest your intended outcome in your thoughts, words, and deeds once you have a clear mental picture of it. By speaking and acting in this way, you can match your thoughts and feelings with the state of being in which you have already attained your intended outcome. You might need to put in some work, practice, and be willing to let go of old routines and patterns that might be holding you back. Your energy and the energy around you will start to change as you start to embrace your desired outcome. A sense of confidence and empowerment that comes from realizing that you are shaping your own reality may start to wash over you as you begin to attract new chances and circumstances that are in line with your desired result. It goes without saying that this process is not always simple, and there may be instances when you run into opposition or roadblocks. Yet, it's crucial to keep in mind that these difficulties are merely chances for development and learning, and that they can be conquered with perseverance, dedication, and a readiness to modify and revise your strategy as necessary. The transformation we seek can be attained, and this potential can be accessed via the use of creative vision. It entails utilizing our imagination to conjure up clear mental images of what we want, which are then infused with uplifting feelings and emotions. A powerful signal that we are open to receiving our desired outcome is sent to the universe when we visualize and experience it as if it has already occurred. This process also starts a chain of events that will lead to the realization of our objectives. The secret to effective creative visualization is to keep your attention on the outcome and avoid getting bogged down in the how or the when. We run the risk of unintentionally creating obstacles and blocking our own progress if we concentrate too much on the specifics of how our aspirations will come to pass. We must instead have faith in the process and give the cosmos space to work its magic in its own time and manner. All kinds of wishes, from material things and financial riches to better health and relationships, can be realized through the use of creative imagination. It can also be utilized to develop in us the good qualities and virtues like gratitude, compassion, and courage. To start the creative visualization process, we must first decide what it is that we really want. To ensure that our intentions are in line with our highest good and the good of everyone around us, we must be clear about them. The next step is to visualize our desired result, utilizing all of our senses to make the picture as vivid and accurate as we can. We need to fill this image with good thoughts and feelings and visualize ourselves already enjoying the satisfaction and joy of having accomplished our goal. We must continue to be receptive to the synchronicities and signs that the universe will bring our way while picturing and feeling the results we want. When the time is right, we must be prepared to take inspired action and have faith that our desires will come to pass. This may entail making adjustments to our daily routines, letting rid of constrictive attitudes or habits, and being receptive to fresh possibilities and encounters. Creative visualization has a transformative potential that extends beyond our private lives. It can also be utilized to alter the world in a favorable way. We may raise the collective awareness and contribute to the creation of a more compassionate and just society by imagining a peaceful, loving, and harmonious planet. Ancient wisdom traditions have long recognized the power of positive thinking, and contemporary research has supported the approach's capacity for transformation. The law of attraction, which claims that we attract into our life what we focus on, is activated by cultivating good ideas and feelings. This suggests that we attract pleasant situations into our lives when we concentrate on positive ideas and feelings. The secret to using positive thinking to its full potential is to develop an attitude of abundance and opportunity. To do this, we must let go of the self-talk and limiting beliefs that are holding us back. In order to achieve our desired results, we must learn to replace these limiting ideas with empowering affirmations and mental images. Creative imagination is one of the most effective methods for developing a mindset of plenty and opportunity. This entails utilizing our imagination to conjure up clear mental representations of the results we want. The same neural pathways in our brains are activated during visualization as they would be if we were actually experiencing the intended consequences. By doing so, we can teach our subconscious mind to concentrate on and draw good things into our lives. In order to engage in creative visualization, you must first clearly define your goals. A more broad aim might be more happiness or mental serenity, or it might be a more specific objective, like starting a business or getting a new career. Create a vivid mental picture of what it will be like to realize your desired outcome once you have set your intention. To create the most realistic and vivid mental image possible, use all of your senses. Focus on the satisfying feelings that come with obtaining your desired objective as you imagine it. Feelings of happiness, exhilaration, or appreciation are a few examples. By developing these good feelings, you turn on the law of attraction and start attracting the people, chances, and things you need to get where you want to go. Of course, there may be difficulties and failures along the way, and the road to accomplishing our goals is not always easy. But we may develop the resiliency and resolve required to overcome these difficulties by fostering an attitude of abundance and possibility, and by utilizing creative visualization to reinforce our desired outcomes. The boundless potential that resides inside us can be unlocked by a single unwavering faith in the strength of our own consciousness. Weaving our dreams into the very fabric of reality, we start to unravel the mysterious tapestry of life as we embrace the limitless possibilities that lay inside. The secret to releasing our inner power is expanding our consciousness. Our ideas, feelings, and behaviors are all motivated by it. We understand that we have the ability to influence our world when we believe in our own consciousness. We have the power to design the life we want and realize our aspirations. We liberate ourselves from the constraints of the material world by acknowledging the strength of our own consciousness. We have the ability to get past imagined limitations and enter the world of limitless potential. To make our goals come true, we can access the creative energy that permeates everything of reality. But there is a heavy burden associated with this power. Our ideas and feelings must be kept in check, since they have a significant impact on the world around us. We must create empowering and uplifting beliefs while letting go of restrictive ones that restrict us. We start to have a fresh perspective on the world as we accept the power of our consciousness. We come to understand that our thoughts and feelings form the foundation of our world rather than just chance occurrences. We learn to harness the energy around us to help us achieve our objectives as we become more conscious of it. We start to weave our dreams into the very fabric of reality as a result of this newly acquired knowledge. We picture the life we want and remain committed to it. We utilize our ideas and emotions to influence our reality because we are aware of their ability to create. We take control of our own destiny in this way. We assume control over our life and design the world we want. We come to understand that we are strong creators who have the ability to mold our reality rather than being the victims of circumstance. In conclusion, the boundless potential that resides inside us can be unlocked by a single unwavering conviction in the strength of our own consciousness. When we hold onto this idea, we break free from the constraints of the material world and enter the region of limitless potential. By weaving our aspirations into the very fabric of reality, we take control of our own future. We can accomplish anything we set our minds to with this newly discovered understanding, and we can design a life that is abundant with joy and fulfillment. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it was both interesting and enjoyable for you. If so, kindly click like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. To ensure that you never miss a video, don't forget to press the notification bell. Please feel free to post any questions or comments in the section below. I always like hearing from you, and I'll try to get back to everyone.